Hello, everybody. Welcome to Write in Amma Beat Your Writer's Blog, a 30-day challenge. I'm Hina Joshi, and I hope that you are doing well with your prompts, giving 20 days, 20 minutes every day, and writing handwritten prompts. So, with that, and also I'm not a teacher, I'm not a monitor. So, we all are adults. We know how to take responsibilities. And when we have our focused mind, because you are here, you got registered, you paid money, so you paid money for a purpose, and that purpose is the transformation in your writing, or maybe to have a writing routine and consistency in writing, or maybe to take your writing next level. So all these can be attempted only if you are taking action, only if you are doing what the prompts are asking you to do, and you are diligently doing it for 30 days. So with that, let's start with the third prompt. All right. So the third prompt is look out of the window and listen to the silence. And when you're listening, you have to keep your eyes closed for 5 minutes. Again, if you're not able to track the time, you can always set an alarm for that. And after 5 minutes, when the alarm rings off, you have to open your eyes and start writing about whatever thought was coming on your mind. It is a kind of brain dumping, be it negative thought, positive thought, whatever was bothering you, if you were at peace or you were feeling good, whatever you're feeling hopes, be it anything, you just have to dump it down on paper. And also you have to include the major part, which is you have to think that how you and the people around you, maybe your family members, your friends, your siblings, your spouse, or anybody has changed over the period of time, maybe 5 years or 10 years down the line, from past 5 to 10 years. And was that changed for good and bad? So what you can do is, instead of writing about everybody, it would take a hell lot of time. So you can choose 2 to 3 people who are very dear to you, and also yourself. What has changed between your equations with them? What has changed in terms of your thought process or mindsets? If you feel that your friend or someone has evolved over the time, or has changed their mindsets, or is not successful, and this is the reason, whatever it is, you just write it down. The idea here is to think about your journey so far, which we hardly do. And we just keep on going in the rat race, and we never look back. And even if we look back, we always, um, just make it nostalgic and just want to go back to times. But there are few things which are to be learned from the past. There are few trackings which need to be done in order to grow further. So that is the kind of telescope for that. Okay. So what were your wishes, and what were your goals, and uh, a few wishes which could become goal, and few goals which remained as wishes? You can include these points. So I've given you in bullet points, so you can include all this if you're clueless about what to write after opening your eyes. So the takeaway would be 2 takeaways. The first, you have to learn accepting. There'll be mistakes you must have done. There'll be things which you could not have achieved. There'll be things which must have gone bad in terms of relation equations or career point of view. But by writing them down, you are accepting that, okay, this happened. That's okay. Everybody has their problems in their lives, and shit happens. Okay, so just learn to accept that, instead of just fighting with it and constantly saying, no, this didn't happen. And even if this happened, this is, I was nowhere responsible. So that is one part. And accept your shortcomings. Everybody, each one of us has shortcomings. Having shortcomings is never a wrong thing, is never a sin. But not trying to work on them is something which is very lethal to your spiritual, mental, and maybe, career well-being, or whatever. Like, you have to take actions all the time. So this is why this exercise was done. You have to think about past in terms of what lessons you can take on, what kind of changes happen, and if you didn't track them, now is the time you can do that. And with that, I'm saying goodbye to you. See you tomorrow.